First, go to File menu. Choose the Open option. Window will appear. Navigate to the location where images are stored. Click on the image file you want to import and press the Open option. You can change dimension of imported image if needed. Second method to import images is drag and drop them directly into Inkscape. Open your File Explorer and locate the image. Click, hold and drag the image into Inkscape canvas. After importing, you can resize and position the image on the canvas as required. Utilize Inkscape's tool to transform and manipulate image as needed. Once imported and adjusted, your image is ready to be part of your Inkscape project. If you want to flip object, click on the object, look for the options that says Flip Selected Object Horizontally in the toolbar. Click on it to mirror the object horizontally. Same process applies to text. Create your text, select it, and use the horizontal flip option. Also for image. Select it and click on Flip. First, start by selecting the item using the Select tool. Navigate to the top bar where rotation options are available. You can rotate the item at fixed angles, typically to 90 degrees. Second method, choose the Select tool and click on Desired Object. Initially, you will see the stretchy handles on the corners. Click on, again, the borders. Now change them to the rotation handles. Access the Rotate tool and use the corner handles to freely rotate the object. For precise rotation, hold down the Ctrl key. It will snap the rotation to specific points. Go to the Object menu. Click on Transform to open Transform options. In the middle tab, select Rotation option. Tap Desired Angle. And then click on Apply to confirm rotation. Look for the A icon in the toolbar. This represents the text tool. Click on the canvas where you want to add text. This action creates text object. With the text object selected, you can start typing your desired text directly on the canvas. If you wish, adjust the opacity of text, go to the Fill and Store menu. Here you can find options to modify transparency. To further customize the font, style, and other text attributes, go to the Text menu. Click on the text object, then access the Text menu. Font selection bar will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred font. Explore toolbar various styles, options such as bold, italic, underline, and more. The height and style options can be adjusted using the controls in the toolbar. For more detailed text properties, explore the Extend options available in the Text menu. First, select the element you want to move. Click on it. Use the Page Up or Page Down keys on your keyboard. Page Down moves the selected elements backward, and Page Up brings it forward. Second method. Select your item, navigate to Object menu, utilize commands like Rise to Top to bring item to the front. This command places selected item at the very top of the layer order. Drag and drop your desired image into Inkscape. Ensure Embed is selected and click OK. With selected tool active, resize the image by pressing Shift plus Ctrl. Adjust it to the comfortable size for better visibility. Navigate to Path and then Trace Bitmap to open Trace Bitmap menu. Here, enable the Live Preview option. Experiment with settings like brightness and cutoff to fine-tune the threshold. Aim for colors that closely match the original image. Utilize edges detection to outline image. Play with settings. Adjust the scans and brightness steps to achieve realistic representation. Explore the effects of grays for black and white approach. Click Remove Background for cleaner results. Click OK to apply trace. The vectorized image will overlay the original. Open Inkscape and import your desired image. Navigate to the Filters menu. Locate at the top of the screen. From Filters menu, go to the Color and select Grayscale. Click Apply to implement grayscale effect on your image. Start by importing your file. Ensure image is selected for editing. Press the plus key to zoom in for a closer look at image details. Select the Draw Bezier tool from toolbar. Begin clicking around the object you want to keep. Create a series of points to outline the shape. Click on the red square at the starting point to connect both edges of your draw shape. Go to Edit and choose Select All to ensure entire image is selected. Navigate to Object, then select Clip and choose Set from the menu. On your menu, go to the Edit, then Preferences. This will open the Preferencing dialog box. In the Preferences dialog box, look for category labeled Imported Images. Click on it to access settings related to imported images. Under Imported Images section, find the option for export. Change export settings to your preferred DPI. This will be your default DPI settings for exporting images. Explore other options in the section, such as copy resolution and default import resolution, and customize them according to your needs. For clarity, DPI dots per inch in Inkscape is equal to PPI, pixel per pixel, meaning 70 DPI is the same as 70 PPI.